So prior to coming to Auto Academy, I had a lot of background knowledge on design as a whole, but at the academy we learned a lot on art direction, visual storytelling, logo creation, and we actually even worked on a brand that we created a corporate identity for.
I enjoyed the concept origination class as an art director. I learned how to use the magic and logic approach to disrupt and still be able to find a connection to build a strong imagery that passes the brand message.
Oh my gosh! I've always been fascinated about how people did the magic with Photoshop, and it was very exciting for me when the intricacies of image manipulation were broken down in highly understandable bits.
What got to me was the packaging design class. I saw my work from sketch through Photoshop to the printing and the mock-up of the designs. It was like I was holding a baby in my hands, and that for me was very priceless.
We even went as far as recording our script in our ultra-modern production studio. Amazing.
It was a lot easier to learn from lecturers who exhibited extraordinary passion for what they were teaching.
And we got a lot of inspiration, not just from the instructors, but from the environment as well.
So there's this salon where we sit to ideate and conceptualize, and that particular spot was my lucky charm for most of the content I created. Looking at the banner with all those positive words printed on it gave me the right vibes to express the creativity in my works.
Our instructors patiently took us through several digital tools for survey, tools for planning, optimization, analytics, and specifically how to monitor all the marketing campaigns that I ran.
The hands-on approach was it for me. Every class was a practical class, and then the master classes. We had a lot of industry experts come in and take us through topics regularly. That did a lot for my drive and made learning much easier and faster.
We had to sign in daily before lectures to meet up with our 210 mandatory hours of lectures. It was a biometric device, so there was no going around it. Everyone had a cup branded with their names. It always reminded me of how special and unique I am.
So the entire learning experience was out of this world for me. From the field trip we had at the beach, where we had fun, we brainstormed on a live brief and we had to present in a matter of hours.
I brushed up my presentation skills and now I can sell anything to anyone.
Auto Academy found a way to deliver the perfect blend of fun and education.
I wish my academic history was half as fun and impactful as my time at Auto Academy.